We're gonna work on today a 11 Pro, no Face ID, and we're gonna use the V1S Pro. I did buy this one here, which is the V1S. After trying to work with it, then watching a few videos online, that you need to buy the Wi-Fi adapter for this as well. So rubbish. Had to buy this rubbish. Cost more, but you need the Wi-Fi connection. For this box here, you need to get the Wi-Fi adapter, which it doesn't mention anywhere, unless you do extensive research online, then figuring out you need a Wi-Fi adapter to make this one work. All right, it's Wi-Fi compatible, so you can solder it in there yourself. Pointless. So I had to go buy this one here, the V1S. What's this? Now, I did have a problem with this machine. When I received it, I did a Wi-Fi. I connected to Wi-Fi, did an update, and when I restored, it wiped all my apps. So I had to go back on JCID's website and download the programs onto a memory card. Then I brought it back to life again, so I got my apps back again. So you have to buy this adapter, Face ID adapter, that comes with this JCID. Just comes in a packet like this with a cable, Type C cable, and I'm pretty sure it also comes with this cable here. So it's got a fancy blue light. I don't know if it does anything, if it works any better or what. So now with working with this one, so get back to the phone. Obviously I get a lot of Face ID problems, especially crackbacks, crack front near the top here. Always has that problem, Face ID faulty. So when you unlock it, the best way, so what I figured out with this tag on Face ID repairs is the only Face IDs that I can fix, and I've been checking the settings. I'll tell you now, Face ID, the ones that are blank. So the ones that you can't see it highlighted, even the setup, you can't select it. These are the ones that are always working for me. The ones that are highlighted have a different Face ID issue. I still can't. It still doesn't work with a JCID. I'm pretty sure you've got to change the chip to fix it. But anyway, let's get. And also, when using this, the best adapter I find to use is the there's a Google Pixel charger. It's got 5 volts to 30. 5 volts to 30. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, 5 volts, 30 amps, and 9 volts, 2 amps. Sort of writes on here, but it also writes input 100.5. Yeah, so this has got plenty of amps. This works with this really well. So you need the Type C connection. I'll plug this right into the PowerPoint. This video I'm doing now won't be edited at all, so I might say some things wrong, but just bear with me. So let's go back to home, plug this Face ID adapter in. Come on, where are you? There you go. It's plugged in. So now, first of all, I found best way to get this going. Let me open this phone up first. Let me move the box out of the way. Just bear with me. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get the Face ID ready. to be removed, and the reason why I'll tell you soon. I'm going to leave the phone on, do all the screws. With this bracket for the Face ID. What tweezers? Now, just make sure it's all ready for me. I'm not going to remove it as yet. Just 1 second. Okay, so it's sticking out, ready for me to remove. Now, what I find and it works is, have this one on. Let me get you out of that light so you can see the device. Hold on. Let me put it on this side. There we go. So you got to bit this phone on with a Face ID plugged in when you plug it into the box. So plug it in. And it's very good, this, because you don't need a computer. So you'll gotta unlock it, trust the device, and then the model number will come up here with the mode. Now, once you've done that, move this, slide this over here so you can still see it. We're gonna unplug the Face ID now. This one here. Okay. Okay. Let's find the Face ID cable, which is the one there. So it's the one that's on top. How does these cables go? Oh, that one goes on the outside. Anyway, I'll fix that up later. So you'll plug this into, so the phone still needs to be connected, don't disconnect it. Plug it into the 11 Pro section. Let me turn it so you can see it. You see it right normal there. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Okay, so it's normal. First thing you do is you can press detect again. I don't know what this means. It chips fuses. So anyway, go save data, save it on the cloud. These are important steps. Next, see it's passed. Then you got to go more. Activates. You just wait. So it's picked up. You see, if I disconnect the power adapter, you can see you need it plugged in. So once that's plugged in, you click on activate, and then you got to wait here where it's unactivated to come up as activate. Activated. Now, I have used this adapter on another phone and it didn't work. Hopefully it works on this one. It's my last one. So let's try this. Sorry, I put tape on here so I don't lose it. That's a tape, so when you fold it, here's the adapter. Disconnect this. Now press back. Don't forget to press back to go into this screen. And we're going to go this way for the 11 Pro. Plug it in. Then it's going to show you here normal and all this abnormal. Okay. So I think the box shorts out this thing, because you see right here it has the MOS tube being shorted. I don't know what the hell that is. Like, you know, they give you some types of instructions, which they don't. Doesn't help you at all. Anyway, besides that, I haven't done anything with this with the other ones and it works fine. Like, I think it's telling me to short something out. Has it been shorted? Anyway, you go open file, cloud, select that file, and then it looks like you can't press the OK, but you can. So just burn it. Unable to connect to server. Oh, rubbish. You serious? Let me try again. Select. Okay. So data's written. Okay. So now before you connect it, you can actually test it. So you can. So the way you fold this one is that one obviously goes on the outside. You're meant to fold this one back here over all the two cables. So like that. And then this thing here is supposed to connect. I don't know if you can see it, sorry. That's supposed to connect here. So there's no clear instructions on these apart from looking on AliExpress. That's why I actually found some photos of how you're meant to fold these, because even on their website you can't bloody find crap anyway or shit for this. It's annoying. So anyway, oh yeah, so that's got a, oh what the heck, seriously, oh it's frustrating. Oh yeah, yes, this way. Sorry, I just got confused. So yeah, that's supposed to fold over there. And when you fold that far enough, you've got to fold this one back again, so it goes over that cable. And anyway, before you fold it, you can actually test it. So you put it on here, and then it should detect it on its own, and that should come up all normal. Okay, as you can see, all normal there, right? So should be working. So now we can disconnect this. Let me zoom back out. Zoom back out there. Move this box out of the way. I'm going to try and squeeze this. Just watch the LCD. So now I've got to squeeze this rubbish. That cable goes over there, and that goes in between the battery in here. So I've got to plug it's in, one's in, two's in. Now I've got to get this cable in between the battery. What I usually do is, let's see if I can zoom in for you, but my hand's going to be in the way anyway. I'll just sort of grab. Well, they give you the tapes to tape it all up and stuff, but I find it's annoying. I'll leave it like that anyway. I'll sort of squeeze it in there with my hand like that, and then adjust the cable to fit. So a bit like that. Let's fit this in. Okay, now let's reboot the phone. As you can see, it's still on. I'm going to reboot it. Let's hopefully this works. I'm not going to clip it together anyway because I need to change this LCD. So if I can't fix these Face IDs, customer does want me to fix the phone. So unlock, fingers crossed. Face ID, there you go. It's all there. Set up Face ID. Get started. There you go. Oh, whose face is that? Ooh, that's me. So, wait a minute. Set up Face ID. Let me get the camera right. Get started. Sorry, get a bit of light. Hold on, let me just move this because I think the cracks are getting in the way. Anyway, it's working now, so I just got to move these because the crack screen's interfering with the Face ID sensors. Anyway, where'd it go? Where are you? Face ID, set up Face ID, get started. It's working, but I gotta clean that one there. That lens is a bit dirty. Okay, so I just had to clean that lens there and that one. So it's working. I'll show you. Set up, get started, put it there. See, it's picked up my face now. So it's working. I'll set it up for you. I don't know if you can see. Like that. Sorry. Come on. Sorry. It's just the camera angle, can't. There you go. So yeah, it's working now. There you go. I don't know if you can see it, but it's working anyway.